Go.
Hello. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. I showed my 1-year-old son how to play football, catch and catch. Watch this. Come here, Tai. Ready? Oh, that's a good catch. And he also knows how to throw, too. Watch this. Throw it. Throw it. Yeah. See that? That's pretty cool, man. Here we go. Oh, there's that's what it looks like. Oh. There we go. Not bad for you all there at home, huh? Ready? Oh, that one didn't work too good. Let's try one more. You guys throw it again? Throw it again! Say hut, 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 hut! 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 No, that one didn't work. Yeah! And there you go. That's how you go ahead and teach a 1-year-old kid